Right now, our CDC guidance has not changed.
In an interview with Reuters Tuesday, U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky stood firm on the agency's guidance of students wearing masks inside U.S. schools.
We have and continue to recommend masking in areas of high and substantial transmission. That is essentially everywhere in the country in public indoor settings. I'm pleased to say that about 96% of our children are in schools and that the masking has allowed them to be in school safely.
Her comments follow announcements by officials in New Jersey, Connecticut, Delaware, California, and Oregon that they plan to lift indoor mask mandates for K-12 public schools and other indoor spaces in the coming weeks, seeking a return to normalcy as infection spurred by the Omicron variant of the coronavirus subsides. When it comes to COVID-19 cases, Walensky said she is cautiously optimistic that the United States will fall below crisis levels at some point, but that she doesn't think we are there yet.
But we're still at 290,000 cases a day. We still have hospitalization rates that are higher than they ever were during the peak of our Delta wave. And similarly for deaths, still at 2,300 a day. So while we are working hard to get out of this crisis mode, we do need to look downfield to see what living with COVID outside of crisis will look like.
Walensky added that hospital capacity is one of the most important barometers for whether COVID-19 should be considered a pandemic-level public health crisis. And right now, hospitals remain overwhelmed by COVID-19 cases.